is this current meltdown Bitcoin's path to $48,000, that one target that every bear has been waiting for? And why are they waiting for this target? Well, they're looking to buy the dip. It's something that Sean actually mentioned on Twitter. Right now, every bear is actually just a bull, if you really consider it. And speaking of Twitter, guys, if you're not following Sean on Twitter, what the hell are you waiting for? He's been posting a lot of alpha, so go ahead and give him a follow. I'll be linking his handle down in the description below. I'll be telling you why I don't think that this is going to be a meltdown. There are a few technical developments I'm seeing on the macro time frames that's telling me that Bitcoin's next probable move is likely going to be to the upside, possibly even taking out those previous highs. Macro bullish case number one. We're currently threatening a breakout of this falling wedge pattern, but it's not just a bullish falling wedge. This also marks the breakout of a massive bull flag that's been playing out since October of last year. And if we're plotting measured moves, I mean, this one takes it all the way up to $200,000. Now guys, this is just one of 3 other systems that is pointing to Bitcoin getting up to $200,000. And trust me when I say if Bitcoin starts rallying from here, the alts are going to move as well. Now is the time to be locking in and to be putting your trading hats on. And if you guys haven't already heard about it, BitUnix is currently running a deposit and trade bonus wherein you're getting free USDT for your deposits. I want you guys to think of this as more chips being given to you to put on your trades with. Additionally, they're also giving away free Solana for those of you who are trading big positions. So go ahead and check out the link in the description below if you're looking to squeeze out the most from these bonuses going around. This is just one pattern. I have something stronger for you guys. Keep your weekly time frame on, turn on your Bollinger Band, turn on your MACD. Now this is one of those systems that we've been looking at for the past 1 year now, and we have a certain bullish recipe that we're looking for. And this is it. We want the MACD to cross bullish, plus we want price to be living over the Bollinger Band. So let's go ahead and figure out if we have that recipe just yet. And as far as the MACD is concerned, you can see the blue line is over the red. That is your bullish crossover. The last time we were cross bullish was only here back in April of this year. So we finally have that bullish crossover right there. And as far as price living over the Bollinger Mid is concerned, well, let's look at price action relative to that red line swinging in right through that Bollinger Band right there. Are we living over or under that region? Right now, price is currently living over that region. So as far as our bullish recipe is concerned, we have 2 tick marks on that. The system has gone off. The last time we had the trigger on the system was right here back in October of last year. Funny enough, there's a bit of symmetry. It is October of 2024. This happened in October of 2023. You can see that we actually had a bullish crossover on the MACD, and in that same point, guys, we also had price living over the Bollinger Mid. What did price end up doing? Well, we saw a beautiful, beautiful rally all the way up to all-time high for Bitcoin, taking it up to $72,000. That was 160% as far as that move was concerned. The last time we had something similar was right here. We had a bullish crossover. This was August of 2022. This is when Bitcoin was actually putting in its macro reversal from bear market to bull market vibes. As soon as we got that bullish crossover on the MACD, was price living over or under the Bollinger Mid? Well, it was still under until we actually managed to take it out. That's when the recipe triggered on Jan 2023. So it was in that moment that the system triggered. All right, price is living over the Bollinger Mid, plus the MACD was crossed bullish. And what did price end up doing? Well, we went from around 18.7K all the way up to $30,000. So this was the first trigger, second trigger, and now we finally have the third one right here. Now, in addition to that system, there's one more, and I like to call this the Platinum Cross. I don't talk about this quite often, but here it is for you guys in case you're getting spooked out. If there's any point in time that you should not be getting spooked out, it's right now. I believe we're heading into that next markup phase, not just for Bitcoin, but for markets in general. Alrighty, so here's what I'm looking at as far as the Platinum Cross is concerned. I want you guys to get into the daily time frame, turn on your 200 simple moving average and your 21 EMA. For those of you who have the Mango ribbon, you guys can just go ahead and pull up the Mango ribbon and just isolate it to those 2 moving averages. Now this cross, guys, has only happened twice before. We literally just got the third one. But what's important about this cross is that every other time that we actually got this trigger, that's when prices actually rallied. Okay, the first trigger came in right here. Once again, Jan 2023, that rally was from 18.7K all the way up to $30,000. The second crossover was right here after that meltdown consolidation. We got the bullish cross in October 2023 once again, and that's when prices rallied from around $30,000 all the way up to $72,000. And now we've seen this prolonged consolidation from March all the way to October of this year. And what do you know? We finally have the crossover once again. During this entire time from August to October of this year, prices were actually consolidating within that range between the 200 simple moving average and the 21 exponential moving average. We finally got the bullish setup right here. All right, it was not just the bullish setup. We got the bullish crossover, plus we got amazing momentum from the bulls. And this is the kind of setup you want to see to then drive in some conviction for that next bullish leg. And the resemblance in all instances is uncanny. Prices broke down past the 200, past the 21, consolidated in that range, broke back up. We got a bullish cross off the races. And to top it off, guys, if you watch my video on Heikin-Ashi candles and how do you go about really playing them, check this out on the monthly time frame. This is the first month of October that we finally have a green candle. Now, of course, we still have 1 week left on this candle, but so far it's looking good as far as bullish momentum is concerned. Every other time we've seen the red candles flip into green Heikin-Ashis, that's when we've actually seen a rally to the upside. Momentum is switching once again, so eyes peeled, eyes on the price. When in doubt, zoom out. Now, if you're someone looking to figure out how do you go about playing this range on Bitcoin, whether you're trading on spot or you're leverage trading, then I definitely suggest checking out Sean's previous video on Bitcoin, where he talks about how to go about taking profits based on the trade setup that he provided you guys with. So go ahead and check it out. That's a beautiful lesson on how do you go about positioning and taking profit. And also, quick reminder, the birthday sale is still on B-Day 2024. It's applicable on the seed program and the indicators. If you're choosing between the two, get the program. All right, it's going to set you up for every bull market to come. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the likes. I'll now see you in the next one with this. Trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.